you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me with.
We're gonna pop now. Yes!
Alright.
Mommy.
Yes, okay, Leo's gonna pop it.
Hold on.
Oh, Leo's gonna pop it?
Give him it. Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
We're gonna count to 3.
Okay?
Well, hold on. Wait. Don't count to 3 yet. The biggest thing is that I am the only one here saying boy. Everybody else is saying girl.
And if it's a girl, you will was each $50.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leo says boy, right?
But he said, when I said baby boy,
Okay.
it's brother, sister, he said sister.
Yeah.
He says boy. So 2 of us says boy.
So if we get it right, you pay us each 50.
Yeah. So go ahead and pop it on 3.
Okay, 1.
No matter what, we're still friends if it's a boy, right?
Yeah, right. 1, 2, 3.
Pop it, bud.
Yeah, I'll bring it back. I'm just taking this all to the garbage.
It's a boy!
At first, I had said it was a boy, you know. At first, and then I changed.
At the moment from that point, I still can't hear anything. What are you guys saying?
Huh?
What are you guys saying?
I'm saying it's a boy.
I know, I just, that noise is so loud.
So my friend was right. Oh, yeah.
Friends? Still friends?
Yes, we are. Sadly.
Still friends?
Sadly.
Shake hand and shake hand.
I'm gonna get the
Dash.
baby brother.
Touch it.
Yeah.